If you're like many of us and you're thinking about your future, perhaps you could find inspiration by learning about your past. Have you ever wondered about your family tree? Was your great-grandmother perhaps the Queen's chambermaid? Well, I'm here in Victoria's spectacular Mornington Peninsula to talk about the new release of some maritime records that Vicky believes may hold the key to a world of history that will connect you to a family that you never knew. Hi, Vicky.
Hi, Janie. With the increasing interest in family history, many people have taken the first steps into what can be quite a daunting and overwhelming task. But what if I told you that with the right kind of help, this can be one of the greatest achievements of your life? Find My Past is one of the world's largest genealogical websites with over 8 billion records.
Oh, 8 billion, that's amazing.
It is. If you're searching for your ancestors or looking to piece together your family tree, just think how much help that many records would be. Find My Past records include birth, death and marriages, military, travel and migration, newspapers, crime and convict records, as well as electoral rolls and so much more. And now we've partnered with the Public Record Office of Victoria to bring 3.3 million newly available records of coastal passenger journeys around Australia from 1852 to 1924, which includes the mass migration into Victoria during the gold rush.
And that is so valuable, isn't it? Because so many of those migrants arrive by ship, travelling around the sometimes dangerous Australian coastline to find refuge here in the quieter waters of Port Phillip Bay and eventually Melbourne on their way to chase the dream of fabulous wealth in the goldfields of Victoria.
That's right. The 1850s saw an enormous increase in immigration to Australia and what many consider the formation of the true Australian identity.
So if you're looking for an ancestor from those times, I guess there's no better place to start than Find My Past.
I'd have to agree, searching couldn't be easier. Visit findmypast.com.au and register to become one of the many users who have found genuine connections to their ancestors.
So do the people who join Find My Past always have success?
More often than not, they do find a connection to an ancestor and it just amazes them. And the details available are incredible. Just look at the fabulous Australian Dame Nellie Melba. Find My Past has remarkably detailed information, which includes newspaper clippings from the day, with excellent insights into the life of a true Australian icon. The Melbourne-born soprano's worldwide success led to her inclusion in Britain's Knights of the Realm, and the details of her amazing life are all documented on Find My Past. Even the incredible international reaction to her death at the age of 70. And our fascination didn't stop there. Just look at her will. To her sister she left the first jewel purchased by me after I became Melba. To her granddaughter, the blue bag given by Alfred Rothschild, and the kettle I have always carried on tour. And this is the quality of records you can expect to find when researching your family tree on Find My Past.
Yeah, it's so impressive. I mean, 8 billion records, it must be difficult to find.
No, not at all. Findmypast.com.au has all the technology in place to allow you to begin your family history journey. From the second you enter our website with straightforward templates to allow you to build a family tree from scratch, or import from another source and then integrate into the Find My Past template seamlessly.
That's fantastic. So Vicky, how do we join and gain access to these 8 billion records today?
Well, that's easy. Go to findmypast.com.au and join us now. For 4 days from August 26 to 29, we will give you free access to our entire collection of Australian records, including the newly released Victorian Coastal Passenger List. More than enough to begin your family tree and more than enough to help you connect with your family, both past and present. So why not join us today at findmypast.com.au.
Great, thanks so much Vicky. And for more information, you can visit their website and connect with your ancestors today.